Hello everyone, it's Miss Emma back with video number 10 in our YouTube Tinkercad series. As I'm sure you've noticed, you can see me now. We got a little bit of feedback that you guys have been missing seeing us at the center and that maybe adding our faces to these YouTube videos would be a cool feature. So hopefully this brings you a little comfort of your time at STEM Center USA. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to model on Tinkercad a character. So basically applying all of the skills that you've learned in this series so far, grouping shapes, aligning shapes, using holes to change the shape of already existing blocks. We're going to be combining all of that to create the character that you voted on. So I believe Baby Yoda was our winner. I'm pretty excited to be modeling this. This is going to be something new for me, so I'm just going to have you guys follow along with the process that I go through to go ahead and build something like this. I'm not going to do it as a precise step-by-step as I have in some of the other videos because I want this to be more of a display of what it would look like for the process of someone going through modeling something more intricate. So I'm definitely going to leave instructions on basic steps that I took to do this, but I want this to be kind of a guideline for you to create whatever character or figurine you want to, whether that's Baby Yoda or a different character. So I'm going to probably speed up most of my process here and leave helpful hints that I come across as I go ahead and model. You'll probably see my very concentrated face in the corner of this screen. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a reference photo of Baby Yoda to help me through this process. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I think this is the Baby Yoda that I am going to leave as my finished product. Things that I would do if I was gonna continue spending some time on it would be to go ahead and ungroup and make sure that the hands of Baby Yoda are green. I'd probably spend some time also trying to make wrinkles on his forehead using the ring tool and cutting it with a hole similar to what I did with the smile and the eye creases or the eyebrows. But again, since I've spent so much time on this already, and I feel like this is a good base layer to show you all as a character modeling, I'm gonna leave it at this. So hopefully you were able to follow along with those steps, and if not, at least get an idea of what the process would look like when you do go ahead and decide to model a character. I'm going to go ahead and leave some other link suggestions for you guys for modeling a couple of other characters, especially things like Pokemon characters that I think would be really fun. But hopefully you guys take the tools that you've learned in this series so far and really spend some time designing a character that you enjoy so that you have a really cool, meaningful design to you that you could potentially print out as a figurine or a keychain to keep as a memory of our time doing Tinkercad modeling together. I look forward to seeing you all in our next video. I'm going to show you a couple of tools to upload 2D and 3D designs that are already existing. That way you can enhance your designs using the work that other people have already done. Looking forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye!